So we are now moving into week number 2. I have a few updates for you. I finally got the due dates figured out in Canvas, so they should all say 11:59 on your end. That's what they say on mine. Let me know if that's not the case. And because of that snafu, I'm going to go through each of your syllabus quizzes and make sure that you all receive points for that weird question about Monday at midnight, since it didn't look to you like Monday at midnight. And actually, I did change the question before some of you took the quiz, so you should be fine. But others of you, it used to say Monday at midnight in the syllabus quiz, and I realized that I had changed them all to 11:59 p.m. because it just made more sense with the system, how it looks to you. So all of you will get a point for that question since it was my bad. In addition, there was one more question that was a little vague about one of the major projects and how many points it was worth. Since the syllabus now only tells you the total points for each week, I will make sure you all get credit for that question too. I just noticed it got a little bit messy when I had a point value on every single assignment. So in case you're wondering about individual assignments and how much they're worth, you can find that easily in the syllabus tab in Canvas at the very bottom, where it lists all of the assignments and all of the due dates and all of the point values. Also, I've had a few questions about the discussion board requirement that you post 2 different days. So it doesn't matter to me when you do your original post, but you do need to post all together on 2 separate days. That just helps keep the discussion board flowing. Otherwise, I notice the first few posts are the same people going back and forth while they're waiting for other people to join the forum. So you can post on Tuesday and Wednesday and do your initial post on Tuesday and reply to another, and then reply to another on Wednesday. You could do it on Thursday and Saturday and just reply to somebody on Thursday and then do your initial post on Saturday and reply to another. So I hope that makes sense. I just need to see that you've posted in the discussion board area 2 different days, and you should have 3 total posts. You need to have your initial post and then 2 replies. So you could conceivably reply to someone on the same day and then do your initial post a different day. That still fulfills the requirement, but the whole idea is that you're getting in there and replying back and forth. So try to reply on 2 different days of the week. And you're certainly welcome to reply more, or to do your post one day, a reply one day, and then another reply another day. So however it works out for you. And this first week, as we're getting to know how this all works, I won't deduct points if you haven't replied on different days, but I will deduct points if you don't have 3 total posts, which is your initial and then 2 replies. So this coming week, we will cover chapters 2 and 3. You only have 2 assignments, the chapter 2 and 3 quiz and your week 2 discussion board. You'll notice at the bottom of one of the pages in the module that there is a link to the discussion board forum where you can share any resources you find. So I have compiled a bunch of resources that you'll find in every single weekly module for those chapters that we've covered. And you're welcome to use those for your resource portfolio. But if you know of something else that's wonderful and would like to share it with the rest of the class, even if it doesn't necessarily pertain to those chapters, but it's something on Pinterest or on Facebook or just something you would like to put out there, there is that resource sharing discussion board forum that's open for you all to use as you wish. So know that that's there. And note that this week's assignments are due 9/4, which is a holiday, so keep that on your radar if you want to submit it a little bit early or over the weekend in case you have plans for this long weekend. I'll check back in again next Tuesday. Until then, also note that I have set up Zoom meetings for my office hours. The link is provided on this homepage, the very same page you're viewing this video, right above this video. So if you ever want to connect with me via Zoom and ask questions during my office hours, that's totally fine. You just need to give me a call first so that I know to log into my Zoom account. And then I can't look at your screen, but I can show you my screen if it's a question about how to navigate Canvas. So hopefully you find that helpful, and yeah, have a great, safe weekend. I'll check back in again soon.